everybody, it's Stephanie with Coco and Allie Boutique Crafting Page. We're going to be making a Rudolph wreath out of this candy cane form from Dollar Tree. And then I've just got some burlap ribbon, and it's 5.5 inches wide by 15 inches long. Well, this one's 15 feet long. I don't know what I have here. We're going to start by, I'm just going to pull that up like half. See how I've got it wrapped around the inside post. And then I'm just going to take a piece of wire. I'm going to take a piece of wire. And you don't need that long of a piece. And I'm going to wire it. I'm just going to stick my wire through the burlap and wire it to the frame. See? And then you just twist it. Just like you would do like a bread tie. Just twist. Do this, you just take your burlap and pull it up like this, and then push it back. Pull it up and push it back. And then you can cut off your burlap. So we've got half of it done. Now we need to do another. We're gonna go in and do this row right here. Put this through my burlap and wrap it around to the back side. And then it's the same, just the same process. Pull your ribbon up and push it. Going back to the end, and I'm just going to take a piece of wire and do the same thing we've been doing. And cut your burlap off. So y'all see, that's what we have now. Okay, now we're gonna make a big bow to go on our Rudolph. I've got this real pretty plaid ribbon. It came from Walmart. And then I have this red velvet ribbon that came from Dollar Tree. All right, so what I'm gonna do is just cut some strips of my ribbon. All right, so I'm just gonna take these and just flip them over like that. So now I'm going to take, I have a pipe cleaner, and I'm going to take my pipe cleaner and cinch all these ribbons together and twist my pipe cleaner. And then once you get that done, just shape your bow. So I'm going to attach the bow to my wreath. Get down in there and twist my pipe cleaner around one of the wires from the wreath. And then just dovetail your ends. Alright, so there's your bow. And then I'm gonna take, I've got these rusty bells, and I'm gonna take one of them and just glue it on for his eyeball. And another glue stick. Okay. Well, let's see, where am I going? I'm just going to stick his eye right there. See how I did that? That's his eye. And then I'm gonna take a piece of wire and wire his nose on. And I'm using a red bell for his nose. And I'm just gonna put the wire through that little loop on the top of the bell. And then I'm gonna just stick these wires down through here. So just get it around one of the wires on your wreath frame and then thread tie it. Okay. So there's his nose and his eye. And then now I've got to make his ears. And I'm just using, I have this fabric left over from last year when I was making gnomes. And that's what I'm going to make his ear out of. And I'm just going to cut it in the shape that I think an ear would be. I'm going to fold this in half first though, because I want to get 2 ears, obviously. So I folded it in half and now unfolded it and just cut it straight in the center. So that's going to be his ears. And then you're going to put one of his ears like right in here. You see that? Just like right in there. Let me go ahead and put that one on. And I'm just going to use glue to attach it. You're going to go a little further back for his other ear. Like right here. I'm just going to put some glue on here and stick it, put a ear to it. Isn't that cute, y'all? I just wanted to show y'all how y'all can make a really cute reindeer out of a candy cane wreath form from Dollar Tree.